I was diagnosed with severe depression because I went through a couple traumatic experiences, like
Mhm.
really traumatic experiences. So parang to me, at the time, not now anymore,
Hmm.
akala ko yun yung parang para maabot mo severe depression, ganitong level yung problemang kailangan mong pagdaanan. JM didn't go
Yeah.
through what I went through. So parang ako yung parang, okay, he's depressed, obviously for different reasons, but I'm like, not as bad as I was. May ganun ako
Yeah.
noon, yung parang, di kasing lala nung sa'kin kasi iba yung pinagdaanan ko. But naniniwala ako, I know that feeling, I wanna be here for him. Siyempre, I just want him to stay alive. I
Mhm.
don't want anything bad to happen to my baby brother. Siyempre, yun yung laging ko sinasabi na parang, di ko talaga kakayanin pag may nangyaring masama sa kanya. And I would tell that to him straight up. Yun yung mistakes, regrets na nasa isip ko kasi kinumpare ko. But, we're all different people. We handled things differently. And kung ano man yung mga problema ni JM, we will never get the answers. Ang sagot ko dyan ay everything. Problema niya lahat. And mahirap ikumpara yun kasi iba-iba tayo ng pag-handle. Iba-iba tayo ng personalities. And I really wish I didn't view it that way at the time.